my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So I would like to thank Born Pretty for today's video because they sent me two of their items from the Amazon store. They sent me this quick build nail tip and glue set. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna figure out what's in here. And then they also sent me this viral nail gel glue. This is like the new viral trend. The people, instead of using nail glue, they are using products like this. So I get to test this out for the very first time. I've never used this before, so we're gonna see how it goes. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you guys have not checked out my last video, I did announce that I was pregnant, so you guys can go check that video out. Okay, I'll put it up here so you guys can see it, you feel me? So just thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alrighty, my love, so let's get into unboxing our little goodies here. So the first thing I'm gonna get into unboxing is the quick building tips and glue set. So the box is a little well, the box is definitely a little damaged, but now, you know, we ain't gonna talk about it. So it's all shine on me nail tips and glue set. Storage, keep tightly sealed after use, avoid direct sunlight. Of course, everything that is UV or LED cured, you need to avoid the sun at like all costs. Avoid eye contact and mouth. You already know that. Keep away from children. Y'all know that. My niece is in the background going ham. Like, this girl just don't have no life. Okay, and then boom, all the little customer service information on there, like always. So we open this thing up. We have a mini file. It says user manual. This is the cutest little smallest user manual I've ever seen in my life, but it's for the nail dryer, so they do include a lamp. Oh, I love them for this. They gave us the little U-shaped French what are these called, the French you know, stickers to do the French nails. Y'all know I love these. I absolutely love these, and I actually ran out, so I'm glad they did. Okay, now we got some chrome dust. Okay, chrome fairy dust, that's what I like to call the chrome. So this is a red color. I'm gonna open it a little bit so I can see it a little better. It looks like a rust red. I'm not even gonna play with it right now because me and chrome have not gotten along in a while, but I probably will use this because this is really pretty. So next, let's pull this out, y'all. Oh my goodness. So at the bottom we got some nail tips, and oh honey, they kind of XL with it. Okay, I'm gonna open them in a second, but right here, hold on. Oh, we have a little mini lamp for, you know, our fingers. I'm gonna use this today, and what I've learned is I can plug this up to my ring light, so hopefully this is compatible like I do with my other one. So we're gonna plug this up in a second. And then here we have our 6-in-1 nail glue for nail tips. Get into these tips right quick, see what they talking about. Alrighty. Okay, so we have a lot of different tips in here. So after doing some very extensive investigating, there is 2 of each in here, as I do believe so. And then we go into, this is a different shape. This is kind of a coffin shape. You know, that was square, this is coffin. And I think it's the same deal in here, just, you know, enough to do a full set on both hands. If you want to do that or whatever. Some more tips, same size, like mix of sizes, and then some more coffin ones. So I think it's double. And then we have these coffin ones. I really do not like these type of nails, like these coffin ones. They look weird to me, but I do have them, so I will use them. And then now we have our press-on tips, and these are like XL ones, and I love them for that, so I'm gonna use these today because y'all know I love my XL tips. These are regular coffin tips. I wouldn't say so much a ballerina, but they are regular. Then we have some more here, and then we have another pack of XL. So they're dope. They give you a lot of nails. I did not expect this many nails to come here. So you got your nail tips, and then you have your regular standard press-on nails, and then you have your XLs if you want to get a little fancy, you feel me? So I also have a 50% off code on this bundle. And you can get it on Amazon, so the code will be on the screen and it'll be in the description box. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prep my nails because I have not prepped my nails in a long time. So I'm gonna use my nail drill with my little bit, and I'm gonna go around my cuticles. So each pack does come with enough nails to do a full set on yourself. So these are the extra from this pack, the nails that I did not use. So these are like the 1s, the 6s, the 11s, the nails that don't fit me. So that's in there. And then this is the same pack, so you can at least get 2, you know, sets out of this pack. So this is great for people who just started doing press-on nails. You're just a beginner. This is a great set to, like, a great builder starter kit. So unfortunately, like I said, the solid nail glue got weathered, so I'm not gonna be able to use it, but I will be using this today. I honestly do not know how to properly use this because it didn't come with directions, so we're just gonna kind of wing it. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I just filed my nails and stuff, but I'm gonna buff it again for the sake of my own self. And then I'm gonna take my young nail swipe and I'm gonna clean off my nails to make sure that they adhere properly. And a lot of people ask me this, I would definitely, if you want your nails to stay on and last longer, I would definitely file the inside of your press-on tip. I'll show you guys really quick on how to do that. So I get a lot of questions about filing the inside of the nail tip. Now, you can definitely do that. I would advise to do that so it would adhere longer to your nail. You could do this a couple different ways, so I'm going to show you. And if you guys don't have, you know, like a swipe solution, you can definitely use alcohol. Alcohol is, you know, the really the cheaper alternative to cleaning off your nails. And make sure that you do use it as well. If you buff the inside of the nail, you want to make sure you clean all that dust, debris, and oil off. If you have a nail drill, you can use your nail drill, and mine is overheated, so it's not going to work. But you know, you just hold it steady and you just file right here with it. You don't do too much, you just gently file. Make sure the file isn't too high or you will rip through the nail, and you just go from side to side gently. Don't do too much up here because you'll break the nail off and you're like, it'll shave down and you won't have, you know, it won't fit your cuticle area right. So don't do it too high, but just get a little like brush stroke here just to get it to adhere to your nail. And since I can't use that, I'm gonna take this off and show you guys. If you guys don't have a drill but you do have sanding bands for some reason, because sometimes it happens, you can take some sanding bands. I don't know how to do this without, you can do it like this. Like if you have tweezers, this is ghetto, but you just take it, you try to hold it as best as possible, and you just like scrape it on the inside. I don't know, y'all. I was trying to help y'all who don't have stuff. But if you do have like a sanding band piece, just go in and like gently like sand it. Like I said, don't do it too hard. You don't want to scrape the entire nail. Just give it a little brush. You just want to like gently brush it, and then you'll see it looks scraped up. And what you want to do is you want to take your alcohol or a lint-free wipe or a cotton swab or something, well, not really a cotton swab, just something to clean off, paper towel or whatever, and you want to wipe that nail off on the inside. Wipe all that debris off that you got, because since this is like the acrylic stuff, it will like the plastic acrylic, it will leave debris just as if like, you know, you were doing it to a tip. So now you have your buff tip, and then you have both are dry. You can apply your nail glue directly to it, or you can apply, you know, your nail hardener solution. So I'm gonna first start off with base coat. This is the base coat from my brand, Here by Camille. You guys can find it on my website. I have a value pack of the base coat, the matte top coat, and the non-white top coat, or you can just buy them individually. So I didn't know the importance of base coat until like now. So I know I used to say, oh no, I'm never using it on my press-ons, but it is definitely an important step. So, you know, don't be like me. Don't be a rebel because you are ignorant to not knowing what the products do for you, okay? It definitely is a great product to have. So I'm just gonna put that on all my nails. Y'all, I don't really do my nails on my nails, so don't cook me, okay? This is a rare occasion, okay? I love y'all that much that I'm doing my nails on myself, and I'm stressed already, okay? Okay, so we're gonna get into applying our nail tips on our nails. I love this because, for one, it has an applicator brush and it's easy to apply on the nail. So we're gonna, it's very thick. It reminds me of like a top coat. So we're going to gently place a decent amount, and I don't want to place too much because it probably will seep out the sides of the nail, but it's staying in place for the most part. It's not moving around like top coat would. So now I'm gonna move this out the way so it doesn't get cured. Turn on our lamp in a second, and what I'm gonna do is gently push back into the cuticle, and I'm going to press down. And it's not really seeping out the sides. The nail is holding strong, it's flat, so I'm loving this so far. And then we're just gonna cure it with the lamp. I'm honestly not sure how long this was supposed to cure, but I'm just gonna sit it under here for like a good 30 seconds. And if I'm unsure, I'll put it under my big lamp for like another 60. But since the consistency is like top coat, I would think that it needs to at least be in here for 60 to 90 seconds. I could have missed the instructions in the box, but y'all saw me open the whole box and I ain't see nothing. But you know, it's like that sometimes. So far it looks pretty good. The nail is on there, and these tips are sturdy like the Micarde or any of my other tips. Like any other tips I have, they remind me of those. And I actually like these a lot better because they just feel good. Like they don't feel too bulky, they don't feel too bendy. It's like they have a soft gel texture, but they're not like soft gel. They're just, you know, regular. And I like the length. Look at that. Look at the XL. All right, so I've applied all the nails, and I love this. Like, they're sturdy. I feel like they're a lot more secure than they would be with regular nail glue. I don't feel like they're gonna pop off. They're really easy to apply, so I rate this a 10 out of 10 for this nail glue. Like, I will be using this from now on my nails, okay? And that's on period. So we're gonna get into this set, this little Kawaii set. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use their little file because the tips do have a little bump. I'm gonna file the tips. Okay, and I'm just gonna do it like that. I'm gonna take my buffing block. Buff the shine off the nails. Okay, so going in with my base coating in. I'm going to be using number 21 in my nail collection. I'm going to be using number 40, this hot pink. I'm going to be using 143, and it's a sparkly color, and then like a sparkly like diamond color. And then I'm going to be using some glitter and some Kawaii charms I found on Amazon. I may even add a couple more charms as we get on to it. So let's get into it. I am so sorry, my loves. My camera kept cutting off when I was trying to show you guys how I did the marble nails, but super easy. I have become obsessed with the marble nails. honey, okay, because you see the Kawaii grabbers, okay. This is my first time doing this, so y'all know I'm feeling myself. Like, I wasn't even gonna make a full set, and then I saw this set. I was like, yeah, I need to follow through, honey. So I just want to come through and let you guys know, like, a quick, like, real in time, like, review on this. I absolutely love this kit. I love the diversity of the nails that they fit. This box is super, like, this box is not that big, but they fit all different nails, the tips and everything, like, amazing. And I applied the nail glue, the 6-in-1 nail glue with these already done, so you can do them to already made press-on nails. You don't have to, you know, make them on your hand like I did, but you can still apply them. Just make sure you do use the lamp that they provide, and make sure you buff the inside of the nail. Buffing the inside of the nail to adhere it to your hand is key. Like, you will not, like, that gel is perfect, but you will not, it will slip off. Like, you will not adhere it to your nail if you do not buff your nail. Make sure you do your nail prep and the nails are prepped, because I caught all of it trying to do it on this hand without buffing the nail. So make sure the inside of your press-ons are buffed, and as well as your natural nail is buffed and cleaned. Wipe with alcohol or young nail swipe or whatever you use to clean your nails. You need to clean them. No debris, no nothing, because you want to make sure you get that right adhesion. Okay, honey? So I am a little sad that I couldn't get to use this today, but I'm pretty sure Born Pretty will, you know, work it out. It was probably the weather. You know, the weather's been crazy and people don't know how to take care of people's packages. It probably was in a cold truck for a couple of days and it probably froze over, but we're gonna get it straight. We're gonna get it popping, because that's also something I would love to try. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my nails. I really love these. These are so cute. Oh. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.